Ladies and gentlemen, this is 4x2. We have the two fastest teams in Tennessee. We have Colleyville, the fastest time, followed by Bartlett, the fastest time. It's all about what you do today, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, this is the top four. So the top four is either going to state. And it is going to be Colleyville making the move. Bartlett making the move. White Station, Whitehaven, Southland. White Station, Whitehaven, Southland. It is going to be down to the West Handoff. And like Colleyville moving away. White Station.
Don't like me out there.
It's like Colleyville moving no down, followed by Bartlett. It's not over, ladies and gentlemen. It is not over. It ain't over. It is not over. It is not over. We got Colleyville in the first exchange. We're going to go down to Colleyville with no doubt. We got Bartlett. We got White Station. It's going to be a battle for fourth place. Can Southland hold on? Right. Colleyville letting him break the state record. That 129.